Okay, this is February 10th, 2010, about a little afternoon. This is our home in Gaithersburg, and you can see the snow. Blizzard conditions, about 40 mile an hour winds. It's my car there. It's about 10 inches on the ground with more coming. Looks like what we shoveled out earlier needs to be reshoveled. It's pretty nasty. I think maybe I'll shovel a little bit and then go back in. Here's the dog. Chocolate, speak. Speak. Good dog. And that's looking into the wood line there. Never seen anything quite like this before in this area. Prolonged snows. There's a car that was parked. It was totally uncovered a day ago. And then this is to